Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the pattern of this program. Okay, so simply they are providing one input as n is equals to 5 and the pattern would look like this. So here each row alternate between C and D characters. Okay, for the first row we print C, for the second row we print CD and so on. Okay, so what will be the approach? So simply here we are providing two loops, outer loop and inner loop. So this loop control, the outer loop will control the number of rows from 1 to n. Okay, and inner loop will print the characters C and D alternatively in each row. Okay, it print I character where I is the current row number. So simply I am creating one class here. Okay, I'm providing one class name as a CD pattern and one main method. Okay, and finish. So simply initialize the variable. So you can use a scanner class here also. Okay, by using the scanner class we can do this problem. So scanner se is equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay, system dot in, then provide a user friendly message as a enter the number of row, enter the number of row. Okay, then I'm creating one variable int a is equals to sc dot next int. Then nextly first loop through each row. I'm creating one for loop for each row. Okay, so for initialization will be int I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to n and I plus plus. Okay, then curly braces open. In a step 3 what we need to do, for each row print alternating C and D. Okay, how to do this? So simply here I'm providing one logic which is create one for loop first and initialize it by using a j variable. So int j is equals to 1 and j is less than or equals to I. Okay, after that j plus plus. So simple, here I am providing one logic which is if j is odd then print C, if j is even then print D. Okay, so this logic will be provided by using the if else statement. So simply I am creating one if condition here. So if j modulus of 2 j modulus of 2 equal to 0, then I am going to print here a C variable. Okay, so C, and then otherwise the condition get false, then print D. Then next, for moving to the next line, I am using a system.out.println out of this for loop. So simply create one system.print.outln. Okay, so in this program the scanner class is used to take the user input. Then after that I am storing that input inside a integer type of variable a by using this nextInt method. Okay, so I'm providing a here, sorry, and after that I'm using one for loop. So this for loop will be used to run the n times and control the number of rows to be printed. Okay, so inner for loop will be used to run I times for each row and alternating between the printing C and D. Then I am providing one condition which is j modulus of 2 is not equals to 0. Okay, if it provide a odd position then it will be C, if they are providing even position then it will be D. Okay, if the position j is odd then print the character C, if the position of a j is even then print the character D. Okay, after printing all characters for the current row, move to the next line. So how to do? By using this println statement. Okay, so if you input the n is equals to 5, then program will look like this. So simply I'm just clearing this print ln. So okay, save and execute. So enter the number of row 5 and print. So see, here is the simple solution of this example and the simple basic logic I am applying here. Okay, then sometimes if the user input will change, we don't need to do any changes in our source code. Just here execute the code and pass the input. So 7, so this will be look like this. Okay, so that is pretty simple. If you have any type of doubt in this example, please let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video and thanks for supporting. Thank you.